Okay, let's get this thing drilled. I've had to move the camera slightly to get an angle where I can more closely hit this line. I'm going to have to fight the camera a little bit on this. It looks real good. I don't know if you can see that, but it's lined up there. I'm going to hold the tube down. Whoop. Didn't get it planted good. Whoop. There we go. And we want to drill all the way through there. I don't want to feed this too fast. Or plunge this too fast. Okay, it feels like we're through. Good. Okay, we vacuumed it out, and then if we're careful, we'll be able to get a drill bit down in there to serve as a pin to hold it to drill the remaining holes. There we go. Now, when we rotate around, we'll elevate this some because the bit sticks up here. It'd be nicer if we had smaller ones, of course. Okay, one final hole and we're done. Vacuum that as always. I think you'll be able to see the fiberglass going. There we go, going to the tube there. I'll take this out of the jig here, and in the next segment we'll look at our handiwork.